Hello everyone, Cambrell Marshall, KPRC Channel 2 meteorologist. Once again, we start out on the warm side. We're normally in 58, 59 degrees for our cool start on this time of the year, this time of the day, as we do this in the pre-dawn hours. You can see 65 at Bush Intercontinental and Hobby. Galveston 71 degrees, so we are starting out on the warm side. We're cloudy this morning, humid, some isolated fog in some areas. This afternoon, slight shower chances. Not really a stormy kind of day. In fact, of the two weekend days, today is the better of the days. That 10 to 20% rain chance. Tomorrow's going to be more like 30%, as we see on this layout here. Rain chance mid-80s for your highs, low to mid-80s both days really. Exact track radar relatively quiet for the most part. If you're planning on heading out to the beach today, get on one of your boats. 5 to 10 knots out of the southeast with the seas 2 to 3 feet. Slight chop with the high tide coming up at 9:09, low tide at 2 this afternoon, 2:13. Air temperature about 81 degrees. If you're planning on being out there, the surf knee to thigh. Not bad conditions out there today, though, with those 5 to 10 mile an hour winds. Here's a look at some of the visibility issues that are in some of the areas right now. Katy, 0, Pearland at 10, Angleton at half a mile. So you see spotty. Not everybody's got this. Most of you will be just fine. But I want you to be aware that there are some areas where you see the pockets of fog because we have all these calm conditions. And there were some showers yesterday, and where we had those showers, a lot more moisture has settled into the lower levels of the atmosphere. And that's where we have those chances for isolated fog. Those winds, though, out of the southeast, 5 miles an hour in Galveston, not bad at all. We'll continue to see that. High pressure is off to our east. This big area of high pressure is going to be situated there for quite some time, in fact. And so as a result of that, the flow around that is what's going to be enhancing our weather conditions for the next several days. With that southerly, southeasterly flow, it's going to keep us nice and moist and warm. Sorry about that. Stormy conditions up to the north, Midwest, upper Midwest. Going to be seeing some of that in Chicago, Minneapolis, and over the next day or so, this front's going to slide and cause some more issues. Lots of moisture in the upper levels of the atmosphere. When you see blues and yellows like that, a lot of moisture to work with because we're seeing it pumped in from the Gulf. As we continue to see that in the lower levels of the atmosphere, it primes the pump, if you will, for these storms to go ahead and get going here. From here today to tomorrow, a nice long line. So if you're planning on traveling, St. Louis, Chicago, Kansas City, Toronto, those areas between now and tomorrow, going to be some storms out there where in the meantime, we see mostly cloudy conditions, some slight chances for showers for the most part. You don't see any big storms building up there on our Futurecast model. We don't expect that this tomorrow afternoon. We'll take a closer look here in the Futurecast model. This is 9:30 today. You notice throughout the day, no showers popping up there. So very slight rain chance today, about a 10% chance. Overnight, we see another chance for some fog, isolated, very isolated. Then tomorrow morning, Easter morning here, isolated showers that are going to be around, a little bit more prevalent than they have been. They're more like what yesterday was, except a little bit more than Friday. This is Sunday morning. Throughout the afternoon, Sunday afternoon, isolated chances will be there, and we'll see that continuing for Monday as well, with a stronger storm in the central part of the state going into Monday. So highs today, when we average 79 degrees, we're going to be above that. 83, 82 degrees at Huntsville and Conroe, 83. Townball, 83. Bush Intercontinental, I think close to 84. So between 81 and 84 degrees will be your high temperatures, depending on where you are. Galveston, 81 degrees. So hour by hour, slight rain chances, about 10% for most of the day, going up to about 20% at its most, close to 83, 84 degrees in some areas today for your highs. Looking at that 10-day forecast in, Dash plays today at 1, Dynamo tonight with a slight rain chance. On Easter, our chances go up to about 30% chance. Monday and Tuesday, 30% sticks around, and then we see, I've taken rain chances out, about a 20% chance, but less than that, so I've taken them out as we go into Friday. Into Saturday, a front comes through. Then look at those low temperatures on Sunday and Monday. On the backside of that front, it's going to be pretty nice. That's your 10-day forecast. Enjoy.